4 steps to being attuned. The first step is being present. Being present means like, are you here right now? Like if you're distracted, if you're thinking about something else, if something else occupies you like your phone or you're looking away, then you're not present. Then of course you're not paying attention to the other person. Second step is being open-hearted. Okay, because sometimes you can be present but be closed and you're looking for like, okay, what's wrong about what they're saying or how they're gonna attack me. And then you're not open in your heart towards them, which means like you're not really, loving, and that won't feel attuned to the other person. Third step is what I call receiving or reception. So now that you're present and now that you're open-hearted, you have to allow yourself to take in the information. You have to allow yourself to be impacted. And then only the fourth step is about responding. So after you are present and you're open-hearted and you take in what's going on for them, only then you're responding. In this case, probably your response will be a very attuned response because you'll take in what they're saying. You'll probably say something like, oh yeah, I get why you feel this way. But for my opinion, this is what it looks like. Or I get what you feel this way. Now I can adjust to that more or kind of take that into consideration.